Yeah, good morning, students. So today we are going to study a new subject, accountancy. It's a subject of commerce. Okay. So here at first we learn the rules of debit and credits. So debits and credits, they have different rules in different accounts. Yeah. So these are the names of the accounts. Okay. Or you can say the types of accounts. So debit and credits rules are different in different accounts. So let's take this is a debit and this is a credit. The personal accounts, in a personal account, so personal account means the accounts which is related with the person is known as what? Personal accounts. In personal accounts, debit means the receiver and credit means the giver. Okay. Now you see in the real account, so real accounts are those accounts which are related to goods, or you can say things. Okay, so here debit means what comes in, and credit means what goes out. Okay, so now in nominal accounts means the accounts which is relating with losses, gain, profit, or etc. Okay, so here in nominal account, debit means the expenses and losses, and credit means income and gain. So these are the rules of debit and credits. They are different in different accounts. The rules are different in different accounts. So now I have given here for example. Okay, so let's take an example and try to understand in by the help of example. So just take example of personal account. Okay, so just take example, just let example paid to Ram of rupees 2000. Okay, on cash, on cash. This is the example of a personal account. Okay, so let's take the examples of real account also. That machinery sold of rupees, let's 5000 on cash. Okay, so now next example of nominal account, just take example of nominal account. It means the expenses or loss, right? So just take example of like what are the loss and incomes, like yeah, paid salary of rupees 10,000. Okay, so these are the examples of personal account, real account, and nominal accounts. So now we treat these things, whatever I just give an example, now we solve it and try to do in practical work. Okay, so now you see the first sentence. What is the sentence example? So paid to Ram of rupees 2000 on cash. I have already said na, this is the example of personal account. So here personal accounts, the rules of debit means the receiver and credit means the giver. Now in this question you see paid to Ram of rupees 2000 on cash. It means here in this question Ram is the receiver. So we solve this question in this way, because Ram is the receiver. So we write here what? Ram account debit. Ram account debit to what? So the given name is not mentioned here, right? Only given on cash. So we write here the on cash. So Ram account debit to cash account. Okay, and the amount, what the amount is given here? 2000. So in both the debit and credit we have to put the same entry, the miss 2000 to 2000. Okay, and here you need to write narration also. So being here what Ram just received the money, right? It means you are the pay the money, so you have to write here narration being cash paid to Ram. So this much only you have to do, only this much. Okay, so it's very easy. And now you see the second entry. What is the second entry? It is the example of a real account, right? In real account we got the rules. Debit means what comes in and credit means what goes out. So here see the machinery sold of rupees 5,000 on cash. It means you have sold the machinery in your business. Suppose you're running one business, so you have sold one machinery. Okay, you have sold the machine is goes out from your business, and what comes in? Cash come in. So what you have to do? Entry. Already we know the rules of debit and credit. Debit means what comes in and credit means what goes out. First we have to enter the we have to need to apply the rules of debit. So what comes is, now in this question you see machinery sold of rupees 5,000 on cash. So here what comes in your business when you sold the machinery? Obviously cash come in. So what you have to do here? You have to put the entry in this way: cash account debit to what comes what goes out from your business. Very simple. Machine you have sold machine, so machine is goes out from your business. So the entry will be what? To machinery account. And what is the amount here? 5,000. So the 5,000 amount you have to put in the both debit and credit side. Okay, this much. So here you have to put entry, you have to write entry, means narration. Okay, what do you write? Being machinery sales, or you can write sales, sold also, sales on cash. This one. Now number 3, you see the nominal. I told you this is example of what? Nominal account. So here see, nominal means the rules of debit is what? Expenses and losses. Credit means what? Income and gain. So now you see here, paid salary of rupees 10,000. You have paid salary of rupees 10,000. For you, what is the salary? Is what? Is a loss, right? So that is why you have to pass the entry in this way: salary is your loss. The salary account debit, right? Salary account debit, but you have paid the salary. We know obviously the salary is paid on cash only, right? So you have to write your what? Salary account debit to what? Cash account, in this way. So what is the amount here? 10,000. So you have to write here 10,000. Here also you have to write 10,000. Okay, so now the narration you have to write here: being, what do you write? Being salary paid. Finish. Only this much. Is very easy and very simple. Okay, it's very easy and very simple. So thank you students. I am Suraj Karmakar. Bye bye for today.